In this video, we are going to learn the basic text functions in Excel, and those are upper, lower, length, proper, trim, left, right, mid, find, search, replace, substitute, and concatenate. We'll first see the upper, lower, length, proper, and trim. Upper, it converts a text string into all uppercase letters, and lower, it converts all lowercase letters. And length, it gives the length of the text string. And proper, using this proper, we can convert the first letter in each word to uppercase letters and all other letters to lowercase letters. And trim, it removes the extra spaces in a text string. I will show you this in Excel. Let us switch to Excel. Here we have upper, and this is the text I want to convert into uppercase letters. For that is equal to upper and give the cell reference. This is mobile phone. You can select with mouse click or you can just give the B4 as cell. It has been converted to all uppercase letters. And for lower is equal to lower, select this cell, give the open bracket and select the cell, convert into all lowercase letters. And length, it counts the length of the characters. It also takes into count of the spaces and the numbers also. Length of this cell, total 9 characters. Suppose if you add any number here, let me add 10 and see the change here. It will change to 11. You can also, it also counts the spaces. Suppose I add the spaces here and you can see the count. For 2 spaces, the count has increased to 13. Next is proper. So using this proper, I will convert this text into the first letter of the word to uppercase letter. So here super, the S will be converted to upper, and in power, P will be converted into uppercase letter. Is equal to proper, and give the cell. You can check here. S is converted to upper and P is also converted into upper. And next is trim. Trim removes the extra spaces. In every sentence we do have one space between each word. So here in this text we have some extra spaces. Here I have given some 3 or 4 spaces here. So using this trim we can remove those spaces. Is equal to trim and give the cell reference. Only one space, right? We'll see the next functions. Left, right, mid, clean. Left returns the specified number of characters from the start of a string. Right returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. Mid returns the characters from the middle of a text string if given a starting position and the length of the string. And clean removes all non-printable characters and line breaks from the text. I'll explain you clearly with the help of example in Excel. Let me switch to Excel. In this example, I have employee IDs of the employee and their names. So I want to display only employee ID, leaving employee name. For that I can use left function. Writing the formula is equal to left, open the bracket, take the cell reference and write the number of characters you want to display from left. So I need to display 5 digits. Since employee ID is only 5 digits in my case, enter. And to copy the same for next cells, I need to just drag this and I get the employee IDs of all the employees. Next is mid. In this case I want to display only the first letter of the employee name. Here in this case R, P, J, R, K and K. For that is equal to MID, open the bracket, in this text, comma, here it is start number. So starting from 6th character, because the first 5 are employee IDs. Starting from 6th characters, Next is number of characters. How many characters you want to display from sixth character? I want to display only one character, which is the first letter of the employee name. Enter. R. If you drag the cells, the first letter of every employee gets copied. Suppose you want to display all the characters of the employee name, then edit the formula. Here write some 10 characters. 10 or more than the number of characters present in the text, and enter. And you can copy the formula here by dragging the cells. I got the employee names of all the employees. Next function is write. In this case, I want to display the only phone number of the employees, not the country code. So I need only characters from right side. Starting from right, I need only 10 characters. For that is equal to write. In this text, I need only 10 characters, which are phone numbers. Enter. So I got the only mobile number of the employee, and drag the cells to copy the formula. In this way we can use left, mid and right. Next we'll see clean function. Using this clean function we can eliminate the non-printable characters. As shown here, this arrow mark is a non-printable character. If you use clean function, you can eliminate that character. Also we can remove line breaks from the text. I'll show you here. Suppose I have entered some text here and give Alt Enter to give a line break. Okay, I have written some text here by giving a line break. So using clean, I can remove this line break. Is equal to clean. This is the text, and enter. So line break is removed and both text are in one cell without line breaks. We'll see next set of functions. Find. It returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. Find is case sensitive. I'll show you using Excel sheet how exactly we use this find function. And search returns the number of characters at which a specific character or text string is first found, reading from left to right. It is not case sensitive. Replaces part of a text string with a different string. Substitute replaces existing text with a new text in the text string. Concatenate joins several text strings into one text strings. Instead of concatenate, we can also use AND operator. Go back to Excel again, starting with find. In this text, in this U5 cell, I need to find the position of N. So in this text, what is the position of the N? Remember, find is case sensitive. You need to specifically mention that whether you need to search the capital N or small n. I'll first show you the small n. So is equal to find, mention the position of the letter N, and then comma, select this text, enter. Here I have selected different cell, I think it is U5. So the small n is present at the 17th position. So it is searching for this character, this n, not the capital N. But when I use search, it is not case sensitive. So it go and search for this capital N. Whether I write small n or capital N, it finds the alphabet. Let me do that. Is equal to search, find text is N, comma, U5 cell, enter. You can see here it gives the 12th position, which is this capital N. But when I write capital N here, it will find the capital N position 12, which is this N. But when I use search function, whether I write small n or capital N, it doesn't matter because it is not case sensitive. It will go and just find out where the n is present. It will take this first n. There is an extension for find and search also. I'll show you that. For suppose I need to find out the character I is present in tiger. Here it is second character. So I want to leave these first 5 characters and I need to find out this I, which is the 7th character. How do I write that? Find I, mention small I because it is case sensitive, comma, this text, comma, and mention the searching from which character. I need to search from 5th character or 6th character, and it has given the result as 7, which is this I, because I have mentioned to search from 5th character. Same thing you can do for search also. Here is equal to search I u5 starting from 5th character. Gives the 7th position. I'll show you the differences between search and find. These are the basic differences. Find is case sensitive, search is not case sensitive. Find doesn't allow wildcards. These are wildcards. Question mark, asterisk, hash. Whereas search, it allows the all wildcards. Question mark exactly matches one character, whereas asterisk matches series of 0 or more characters. I'll show you here. So I have modified the statement here. I can find is equal to SCARH search. Mention the search text as 20 and asterisk, comma, u5 cell number, enter. So I have not given entire 2030 or 2020. So I have given only asterisks. So in this way you can use the wildcards. Next is replace. So I have taken one example as tomato. So here I have purposely mentioned the wrong spelling, tomato. So in 4th position I want to replace O with A. How do we do that? Is equal to replace, select the cell, this is the old text, comma, starting number, starting with this is the 4th position, mention 4 and number of characters you want to write. In place of O I need only one character, which is A, that is only one character, comma, and what is the new text you want to write here, and mention the letter in double quotes A. I am replacing O with A, enter. So I have got tomato. Instead of tomato I have got tomato. Suppose you want to replace 2 characters with only one character, then modify the formula, write 2 here, and you are replacing 2 characters with A. So O and T goes off and comes with A, like this. Next is substitute. So in substitute I have taken same example, tomato. So in place of tomato, in place of T I want to write Z, Zomato. How do I do that? This substitute is also case sensitive, remember. I'll show you that. Is equal to substitute, this is a text, comma, you can see the format here, text, old text and new text. Old text is T and new text is Z. If I execute this, the Z is added in the small t because this is case sensitive. If I want to add Z in the first place, I need to give the capital T instead of small t. Give capital T, and now you see it is Zomato. Like this you can use substitute function. Next, concatenate is equal to concatenate, mention the cell number. I want to bring together these 2 strings in one cell, selecting 2 cells and enter. So there is no space added here. Suppose if you want to add a space, then edit the formula. Here enter the space by giving semicolons, by giving this double quotes. I have added a space here, enter. Now I have got the space between these 2 strings. Instead of concatenate function you can also use the AND function. Is equal to select this cell and select this cell, enter, like this. If you need a space, then use this and function and keep the space and enter. You got the space. These are the basic text functions which we use in Excel. So that's all in this video.